So I'm gonna head outside. I'm gonna turn my grill on because I'm making shrimp scampi kabobs. I finally chopped some tarragon and some parsley. I'm making a marinade for my shrimp kebabs. It's almost like the flavor in the chimichurri. Got some white wine vinegar, some oil, a little Dijon. I'm adding a little bit of mustard in there and honey to kind of cut some of the acidity. And I'm mincing up 5 cloves of garlic. To the bowl, I'm gonna add about a half a cup of canola oil. I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, whole grain mustard, give it a little kick, I'd say about 2 teaspoons. A little Dijon, I'm gonna add some honey to it. So the cross between tangy and sweet. I'm gonna add my garlic, that parsley, and the tarragon. Tarragon smells like licorice and it definitely tastes like licorice. And tarragon and Dijon mustard, match made in heaven. I'm gonna do the juice of 1 lemon. I have a half a pound of shrimp that I have deveined and I left the tail on. I like leaving the tail on not only for a little bit of presentation on the skewer, but it also helps to keep the shrimp intact on the skewer. Give it a toss. All right, so I'm gonna let this set up in the fridge for about 30 minutes. So I've got my shrimp, remember? Yeah, it's been marinating in the fridge. So I'm gonna make my shrimp scampi kabobs. All right, so I've got 2 lemons here. I'm gonna cut them into half moon and wanna use it on my skewer. Shrimp and lemon go together hand in hand. I wanna chop up some parsley for garnish. Just giving it a rough chop. So I've got my skewers here. I'm gonna go lemon first, fold it in half, thread it through like that. Then shrimp, lemon peel and shrimp. I'm just gonna continue to do that until I get to the top. Everything looks great. I'm gonna head outside now and get these babies on the grill. My grill is nice and hot. You know, shrimp doesn't take long to cook. I've already sprayed it down with some nonstick so it's not gonna stick. I'm gonna let my shrimp cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on both sides until I get those pretty char marks. The grill's gonna give it a little smoky flavor. It's gonna provide some of that char that I love on shrimp. That's what I wanted, a nice char on that side. Goodness gracious, that smells incredible. That's charred on the other side. I'm just gonna plate it. I got some of my marinade just poured on top.